Abatuura barikurenga omuri 6 barambuzibwe emirimo eriyo negenda omu maisho omu kyanga kya Bunyoro kandi aba basiimire ekiriyo nikikorwa bwanyuma y'okurambuzibwa ebidiba by'amajuta hamwe n'endiijo myanya.
We are doing civil works for the drain pit. This one is called the drain pit, or we can call it the mud pit. If you have heard of some drilling, we have what we call drilling mud. This drilling mud that aids, it has in drilling, it has many functions. But that as it aids during the drilling down.
All in hand. So people might say, yeah, now you see you cannot talk about the ECOP without this, and vice versa. Even this one, the investment here will not happen when there's no clear picture the other side.
So grateful to Kusima Ruhanga, Omisaguno Guaman, Guazero Muchaka Ito. However, to Kangiram Kusima, Tagoverim. So there is a need of tapping into this. To sole kutega engongo, lune migogo, engogo, nuko sole koraki, kugesa, no kutunga emigisenu, enyakuruge project ya nginkeno.
Abana bwanyuma barambuzibwe ekishayi ky'enyonyi ekirikukorwa omu Kabare omu district ya Hoima.
The general site progress is around 82%. And in the contract we have the runway of 3.5 kilometers length and 45 meters width with shoulders of 15 meters both sides, making it 75 meters width. We have a cargo terminal building.
Of twikire hano itu benefitingire itu nkaba elites obuyizire hano itu tugarukiriwemo amani obuwenda kaba naho amani tuhura buhura ngwe kisahe kitaho kwe kisahe baitu hano tukiana tweroleire nahabeke tugenda amani gona kusensitize ngada community nkanyowe byenyegeza
ebindo zere bikusemeza bikugaramu amani kandi itu nkabunyoro tugenda kufuna mu muno kikwegonde sensi bakozera muri mugwamani okuro ate kisahe kirahi kuhwa kirubasire bitundu 85 hachikumi tusigaze 15 omulimo gukurubata kurungi abakozi bakora buli kimu kikurubata kigendo maiso.
Uganda netekateka kwiha okuzuma amajuta go kubanza omwaka gw'2025 Gashako Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.